Okay, Walter, so tell us your story.
Well, you know, I was working on my posture, but I then broke my ankle. Because I broke my ankle, it put me on crutches. I was on crutches for a number of months. Because of that, it threw my head forward, and now I can't seem to get back. I need some help in getting back into posture again, because the muscles have all given up. That's what I'm really here for.
Okay, brilliant.
So I just want to try out the product that you have, because I tried it once before and it helped before. So I thought, you know, I'd come in and try it, you know, and see how I do.
Yeah.
So,
okay, Walter. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, you just apply that to the crown of the head,
yeah,
and you'll feel how your body.
Standing.
Mm-hmm.
Now.
Brilliant. And just talk through how it feels and what you feel applying.
Well, yeah, I feel that the pressure of it down is forcing me to go further back, more into correct posture. My shoulders go back when my head goes back. And yeah, you can't ignore it, you see? You know, it's like, it's constantly reminding you. And so then I want to try and walk, because I feel in the walking, I don't keep posture, you know? And especially if I'm talking to somebody, my attention goes off. So I just want to see how it is in the walking. Yeah, see, it's like those African women who have the basket on their head.
Yeah, you feel the benefit adding weight to the top of the head. It helps to really keep you aware of the posture.
I don't have any choice. And
Brilliant.
if I go sloppy, it's going to slide off. So I'm forced to keep my head at least back and up. And then I can feel the downward pressure of the weight, which is bound to build up the neck, which then makes it easier, I think, as time goes on.
Yep. It's adding resistance to your neck muscles, which has to respond to build stronger and to keep you more upright. It keeps you honest. You can't slouch. No, that's brilliant. You can definitely see the difference in your posture before you put it on and after you put it on. Yeah. So even if you stand to the side, take it off, and we'll show you what it's like when you take the weight off and how your body responds.
Wow. See, I can feel the loss of the weight, and my head's starting to rise.
Yeah.
You know, there's a slight lightness of my neck and my head, because now this weight's being removed. But I feel more back and up. And that's, of course, opening up my chest and pulling my shoulders back.
No, great work with that. No, good luck with it. Good luck with using Posture Prime, and good luck with your posture and getting back into full strength.
Yeah, and thank you for inventing it and coming in with this, because it's a necessary product.
Yeah, no, my pleasure. All right, thank you.